Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, J Simone. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I revamp my old twist out. So if you're interested in learning how I turn this hairstyle to this hairstyle, continue watching. I use quite a few things to bring back my twist out, such as these perm rods, really important for your ends, a gel, any type of gel would be perfectly fine, a hard brush as well, that's really important, and my favorite thing got to be glue, honey. We got some clips, some oil for your scalp, and some scrunchies, and some bobby pins. All right, so what I like to do first is get the kinkiness out and just loosen my hair up. It'll be easier in the long run. Then I'll go ahead and part my hair into the style that I want. Of course, it's going to be 2 buns and out in the back. Now you're going to use the gel of your choice and a brush to just tame that part of your hair. And you don't have to make it perfect because in the next step is really going to bring it together. Now we're going to use the Got to Be glue to slick it down. Yes, this is where you're going to get that sleek look with the Got to Be glue and your brush. Once you do that, you're going to tighten your ponytails as much as possible in this step. So you want to make sure this step is completely sleek before you move on to the next step. Now let's do these buns, hun. So what I usually do with my buns, I just twist it clockwise. So as you can see here, I'm just twisting it. No particular technique that I do. I just twist it until it gets tight or to my liking. Now this is where the magic happens. This is where we're going to bring back our texture. This is how we're going to make sure that the areas that wasn't as defined as before, we're going to redefine them. I'm also going to take a little bit of gel and then start with the perm rods at the end. The perm rods is really going to make sure that your ends are super curly and defined. So what I'm doing here is just looking through my hair to see which pieces I want to redefine. It doesn't have to be every small piece, just a couple of pieces just to get that definition back into your hair. Yes, the parts can be as little as this one right here. This one is very small, but it needs to be redefined. And guess what? I'ma do it. Now I'm going to use this Curl Refresher by TGIN. Love this stuff. This is how I'm going to set my hair. Yes, you can set your hair. Now it's time to tame them edges. We're going to go ahead in with the Got to Be glue. I like to use Got to Be glue because it makes the edges more defined and it stays longer than an Eco Style or Edge Control. The bobby pins are just to lay down my hair a little bit more. I'm going to take them out once I'm finished my hair. I hope y'all is loving my mini slay them edges tutorial. Just a little mini tutorial. If y'all want a real tutorial on how I really lay my edges, please leave that down below. But for now, you're going to get a mini tutorial on how I lay my edges. After you've done your edges, you're going to go ahead and lay it down, marinate it with any scarf of your choice. And we're going to wait about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on if you have something to do, such as your makeup, or if you got to put on an outfit or anything of that nature. Once you're done, we're going to come back and see the finishing results. And period. Face beat, hair about to be beat. Let's look at these edges, y'all. Look at these edges. Won't he do it? Come on, Got to Be glue. Come on, Got to Be glue. Now let's take this hair down. Let's look at these curls, honey. What did I tell y'all? We're gonna unravel these perm rods and I'm gonna show y'all the definition that you can get in less than 25 minutes. Shoot, even less than that. You're gonna put a little oil in your scalp, massage it a little bit, and this hairstyle is done. I told y'all this was quick and easy. Thank me later. Do y'all see them edges? Slayed to the gods. Ooh, they don't call me sweetie for nothing. Just kidding. Well, that's the end of this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, hit that like button if you did like this video. And that's it for your girl. See you on the next one. Bye.
My heart is sad and lonely.
Yo.